Every year, Australia's vast cotton farms produce enough fiber to supply millions worldwide. Perfect climate, rich soil, and advanced technology make Australia a cotton powerhouse. Cotton farms are so large they resemble entire cities. Months before planting, farmers prepare every hectare for maximum productivity. Every seed is planted with extraordinary precision using modern technology. Without water, Australia's cotton industry simply could not exist. Within days, tiny seedlings emerge and begin their rapid transformation. Soon, millions of plants begin growing across Australia's vast farmland. Technology helps farmers monitor every plant with incredible accuracy. Protecting the crop is essential for producing premium cotton. By mid-season, the fields become a sea of green. The first flowers signal the beginning of cotton production. Inside each boll, valuable cotton fibers begin developing. Months, the crop matures under Australia's harsh climate. Then, almost overnight, the fields turn completely white. After months of work, harvest day finally arrives. These giant machines harvest cotton faster than hundreds of workers. Inside the harvester, advanced systems separate cotton from the plants. The harvested cotton is compressed into massive transport-ready modules. Next, the cotton begins its journey to the gin. The cotton now arrives at specialized facilities called cotton gins. Here, the raw cotton begins its transformation into a usable material. Powerful machines separate valuable cotton fibers from millions of seeds. The cotton is thoroughly cleaned to meet strict quality standards. Next, the cotton is compressed into standardized bales for transport. These bales travel across Australia before reaching global textile manufacturers. At textile mills, cotton fibers are transformed into strong, continuous yarn. Advanced looms weave the yarn into durable cotton fabric. The fabric is dyed, treated, and finished for countless applications. From Australian fields to everyday clothing, cotton connects farms to billions of lives worldwide. If you like this incredible journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more agriculture journeys.